Food just tastes better when you're surrounded by nature and fresh air, especially after an action-packed day. But to make the deliciousness happen, it takes a great set of cookware, one that's versatile enough to be used for everything, space-saving for easy transport and storage, and easy to wash without running water. It also helps if the cookware is durable enough to be packed in a bin, dropped in the dirt, and used over and over again. When shopping for camping cookware, it's important to consider the weight and size of the set, the materials used, what the set includes, and how easy it is to clean and pack up the set. Consider how many people you are typically cooking for when you set out on an adventure, and also factor in if this cookware will be used over an open fire or a camp stove. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 6 best camping cookware sets to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 6. Odoland Camping Cookware. Affordable and easy to store, this camping cookware and pot set from Odoland is a great on-the-go option for hikers or anyone looking to pack super light. The set also includes a mini stove. They do mention that the igniter corrodes easily. We'd suggest being ready to invest in a separate stove, considering the price point of this set. It's easy to store in the included carry bag. The 9-piece cookware set includes the mini stove, 2 aluminum non-stick pots, 1 silicone insulated cup, 1 cutlery set, and 2 carrying bags. The pots also have user-friendly handles that fold back onto the pots when not in use, so you won't have to worry about switching back and forth between the two. Number 5. Lodge Dutch Oven Combo. There's nothing quite like a good cast iron for when you're serious about camp cooking. The Lodge Dutch Oven Combo proved itself to be a versatile take on cast iron cookware. The Lodge Dutch Oven Combo cooker comprises 2 pieces, including a deep skillet and a shallow one, which can be combined to form a Dutch oven. Both pieces are seasoned, meaning you won't be scrubbing away blackened food when you could be enjoying the sunset. The pieces can be used for various cooking methods, including deep frying, sautéing, braising, or grilling. These skillets are cast iron, which means they'll last long, but it also makes them pretty heavy. It was by far the best skillet in our test. Though it took the longest to heat up, once hot, the skillet maintained a consistent, even heat that resulted in a perfectly cooked over-easy egg. Still, a good cast iron is a staple around the campsite, and the Lodge Dutch Oven Combo offered a versatile take that we found ourselves grabbing often. Number 4. Stansport Stainless Steel Cook Set. Stansport Cookware Set is designed and made for camping. From the lightweight construction to the modular handle, it is meant to be compact and transportable. This Stansport Cookware Set provides you with an extensive range of pots. You can either use them all at once or swap them out depending on how many people you'll be camping with. The shape of the cookware is really good. It is designed to be nested. This takes up less retail space and makes it easier to transport. The sauce pots are also more wide than tall. This lets you sear more food at once, reducing overall cooking time. On the pots, there is a rolled lip that lets you pour liquid easily. Overall, a pretty well-designed set. Either way, you'll never need to buy another pot after this. Each pot is made of 1810 stainless steel and bottom-clad in triple-ply 0.2mm aluminum. The pots nestle into one another, making the whole set easy to transport, and they can even be taken backpacking. Number 3. GSI Pinnacle Camper. The GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper cook set comes with almost everything you could want for cooking at the fire. It is a 20-piece set that comes with pots, frying pans, bowls, cups, and even includes a wash basin. It uses premium Teflon radiance coatings over anodized aluminum. This makes them durable, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean. The set is expensive, and it should last. The pots and frying pan use a folding pot handle that collapses for storage inside the stack. It works well, but can get a little hotter than some handles. The materials and coatings work well for distributing heat and cooking. The cuts are in wedge shapes that nest inside everything. They include lids for storing ingredients or leftovers. All the cups and bowls are color-coded so you can tell which one belongs to who. Everything nests nicely for storage. The included wash basin also doubles as a carrying case. The GSI Pinnacle Camper cook set includes everything you need. It is made from high-end materials and coatings for superior cooking performance and cleaning. This makes it our top pick for best camping cookware for cooking over a fire. Number 2. Jetboil Genesis Basecamp. If you need full-size cookware in a compact package, you'll love the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp system. It comes with a super unique 2-burner stove that folds and nests neatly inside the large pot, making it easy to pack and carry. The Genesis pot has coils at the base to speed up the boil time and make better use of your fuel. The set includes a 10-inch non-stick frying pan as well. If you are a car camper that wants to conserve space and weight, then the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp is a great model to consider. This lightweight and low-profile setup simmers beautifully, is easy to care for, and is by far the lightest and smallest way to haul around 2 burners that we have found thus far. The savvy design offers good heat distribution, easy assembly, and the patented JetLink port so you can hook up your Jetboil and run it all off the same fuel source. The Genesis Basecamp system is on the spendy side, but it's worth the cost for those that prioritize portability and fuel efficiency. If the price isn't a deterrent and you can protect it from the wind a bit, we feel confident that you will love using this stove. Number 1. Stanley Adventure Camp Cook Set. This durable Stanley set nests well to save space in your camping box and also has some of the best heat distribution of anything we tested. The first thing you notice when you pick up the Stanley Adventure Even Heat Camp Pro Cook Set is its weight. While this is a negative for anyone shopping for a backpacking pot, car campers and overlanders will appreciate this virtually indestructible set. This included the connection between the handle and the pot. We were unable to make a dent in the Stanley Adventure handles, which bodes well for its long-term durability. There were also no plastic pieces on the pots or frying pans, another common fail point of camping cookware. Another benefit of the Stanley Adventure's heavier build is that the cook set distributed the heat well during the cook and burn test. It cooked a mixture of rice, eggs, and cheese evenly across the bottom of the pan. Something else we liked about this set was how it packed away. When nested together, the collapsible handles of the saucepan and frying pan nested inside of the soup pot. This minimizes the likelihood of these movable parts falling in the future. Cooking outdoors may sound a bit dreamy, if not romantic, to those who love nature. But without the right cookware, you'll fall out of love quickly. Hard to clean cookware that gives an uneven cook and is slow to conduct heat is easy to come by. But the right cookware set for camping and backpacking can be more elusive. There is something undeniably satisfying about a great set of camping cookware. When you're out in the woods, far from the convenience of takeout or a microwave, the joys of cooking for your family comes into focus. But to make a great meal deserving of the great outdoors, you'll need the right tools for the job. However, getting the best camping cookware set is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.